What's up guys, Owen here from the Pump Watch. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Jumping straight into the price of Bitcoin. So we're sitting at around 113.6. Hasn't really moved since yesterday. ETH down 1%, XRP down 4%, and most of the market's sitting more or less steady. The overall crypto market cap now at 3.67 trillion, down almost 0.5% on yesterday. Fear and greed index ticking down into 48 neutral territory. And then jumping over into the price of Bitcoin on the hourly chart, you can see we had a bit of a dip last night down to pretty much 112 even. So definitely has broken now out of this range that we were in for the last month or so. Looking at it overall though, it still definitely looks like we're in an upward trend as long as we don't kind of break down back below. I mean, I would say probably about 100k is the level that we're looking for. If we drop below 100k again, then yeah, I would say that the upward trend has been broken at that point. And interestingly, in our news article today, Arthur Hayes says Bitcoin could retrace to 100k on macro headwinds. So he is bearish. And if you don't know who Arthur Hayes is, he's the Maelstrom Fund Chief Investment Officer. He's also one of the founders of BitMEX Exchange, which is a leverage trading crypto exchange. I actually have a link for BitMEX in the comments below. It's an affiliate link. If you are interested at all in trading Bitcoin, that link is there if you would like to sign up and also support the channel. So reading on this, what Arthur Hayes has to say, Bitcoin and Ether could fall back toward the 100,000 and 3,000 level amid concerns of more tariffs, a sluggish credit market, and slow job creation, Arthur Hayes argues. Maelstrom Fund Chief Investment Officer Arthur Hayes has warned that mounting macroeconomic pressures could drag Bitcoin back down to the $100,000 level, and he's already taken crypto profits in anticipation. Hayes linked the recent crypto pullback to renewed tariff fears sparked by the disappointing non-farm payrolls report, which showed just 73,000 new jobs added in the US in July, a sign of economic fragility. Hayes also pointed to sluggish credit growth in major economies, stunting normal gross domestic product growth, in a warning Bitcoin and Ether could fall further down. Hayes has sold over $13 million worth of ETH, ENA, and Pepe. His comments on Saturday came in response to an X post from blockchain analytics platform Look On Chain, which highlighted that Hayes recently offloaded 8.32 million worth of ETH, 4.62 million worth of Athena, and 414,700 worth of Pepe. You can see in this tweet here that it does actually have the transactions where Arthur has sold some of his holdings. The Hayes wallet that carried out the recent sell-offs now holds 28.3 million worth of tokens, with 22.95 million parked in the USDC stablecoin, according to Arkham intelligence data. He also says Bitcoin on the verge of a double-digit correction. Hayes' comments echo wider fears that macro headwinds could stall crypto's momentum. Tight credit, renewed tariffs, and a job softening market may pressure risk on assets, testing investor conviction and potentially triggering a correction. Bitcoin has fallen over 7.7% from the 123,000 all-time high, while Ether is down 12.5 since eclipsing the 3,900 barrier on July 28 when Gecko data shows. The Bitcoin price dropped to 100,000 would mark an 18.7% correction, although there are some industry analysts who think Bitcoin is past the days of major double-digit pullbacks. Among them is Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, who noted that since BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF in June 2023, Bitcoin has experienced much less volatility and no vomit-inducing drawdowns. Mitchell Askew, head analyst of Bitcoin mining firm Blockware Solutions, added the days of parabolic bull markets and devastating bear markets are over. They don't think that it's possible that we can have a major drawback. I personally, I've been in the crypto market for like 10 years now, and I would say that you always want to be prepared for that, just in case, because I could be wrong. The asset could be maturing, start to follow something more along the lines of stocks and stuff, but I would say that you always need to be aware of the risks and what have you, and protect yourself, because you do never know. But anyway, that is all for today, guys. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing, as I give you updates every day on the price of Bitcoin and a brief overview of what's going on in the markets. And if you found the video valuable, I'd really appreciate a like on the video. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.